Chickens can be a promising venture for your farm, so making less cost to make the right chicken feeder for your flock is one of the most important decisions you can consider. You might have a series of questions in your head before making your decision. The best solution for this matter is with PVC chicken feeder. Fortunately, we have collected practical PVC chicken feeder ideas that will help you feed your chickens more efficiently without breaking your bank, nor wasting your valuable time. 1. DIY PVC chicken feeder. Try this homemade PVC chicken feeder. After getting the pipe cut, place the 4-inch PVC pipe into the 3T and line up the 45 degree. Once it's lined up, mark it with a marker so you'll know where to set it. All you have to do now is fill the feeder and push the cap on. Just make sure you don't cut lower than the cap so no water can get in if you mount it outside. 2. PVC chicken feeder in a coop. First of all, cut your 10-foot PVC pipe to the length you want. Then slide the 90-degree elbow fitting onto the bottom of the pipe. Next, slide the 45-degree elbow fitting onto the 90-degree elbow fitting. Last, attach the feeder to your coop with bungee cords or 4-inch pipe. Now you have PVC chicken feeder. 3. Rainproof PVC chicken feeder. This PVC chicken feeder can be placed outdoors thanks to the protruding top that protects it from rain. First, cut PVC to size and shape you need. Next, assemble feeder and bolt in the base. Now install the feeder into the desired place. 4. PVC pipe and bucket chicken feeder. If you want to make this chicken feeder, you'll need to drill a big hole for the opening on the left or right side of the bucket. When it's ready, just pour the food into the bucket. Your chicken feeder is ready to be used. Isn't it simple? 5. Easy access chicken feeder. Let's go with the easy access PVC chicken feeder. This idea is a perfect feeding solution for large flocks or for those who don't have time to refill their chicken feeder daily. This one is specially designed to make the cleaning process become easier. 6. Effortless PVC chicken feeder. With this effortless PVC chicken feeder, you no longer need to worry about how to make, clean, and refill it. You will just need to cut a PVC pipe in half and attach it to the support. After that, you can place it in the chicken coop and let the flock have a feast. 7. Over-the-door PVC chicken feeder. Fill the pipe and add a cap on the top. Since it's high, you don't need to worry about your chickens fouling their food. This feeder can reduce food wastage and risk of disease for your chickens. Most importantly, it saves a lot of space because it's attached on the door. 8. One PVC pipe with a lot of holes. Just take PVC pipe, then make some holes you need for the chickens to feed. This is the simplest PVC chicken feeder you can try, especially for you who don't have much time to make one. 9. PVC pipe with a plastic container. If your chicken coop is tight on space, this feeder could be a great solution. It allows at least 6 chickens to eat together at the same time. Unlike the common PVC chicken feeders that lie on the ground, taking up a lot of space, this goes vertical. 10. PVC chicken feeder with 2 openings and lids. If you worry about the mess, this chicken feeder can be your safe bet. It has 2 openings that are tilted a little bit to make it easier for the chickens to eat. They also have lips and lids that minimize the mess. 11. Efficient chicken feeder. You literally just fit the pipes together and stuck it through the hole in the chicken wire resting on the bottom. Keep one feeder inside and one outside for easy removal and easy refilling. Chickens already eat from it. 12. PVC pipe and concrete block. You can try this PVC chicken feeder for a bigger chicken coop. If you want to make this one, you'll just need 2 materials which can be easily found, namely 2 cinder blocks and 1 PVC pipe. 13. No mess chicken feeder. These PVC chicken feeders will alleviate the mess and spill because they have lips that hold the food in place. 14. Multi-level chicken feeder. Prepare 1 PVC pipe, then cut in half. You also need 4 wood scrap pieces to make the supports. Use some glue to attach it. This is one of the simplest ideas you can try to make a PVC chicken feeder. 15. Mini PVC chicken feeder. A mini PVC chicken feeder is a solution to most feeders' problems. It only contains food as much as the chickens wish to keep. It also prevents any possible way for chickens to get waste into their food while keeping it dry and pest-free. 16. Creative chicken feeder. If you love recycling, this chicken feeder might inspire you. It is a small chicken feeder from a bottle for a small coop with only a few occupants. You can adopt this idea and tweak it a little bit using PVC pipes. That is the great thing of DIY projects, isn't it? 17. Giant PVC chicken feeder. This is a combination between recycling and PVC. Use your empty bottle to be a container where you are going to put the food, then stick it with a giant PVC pipe to be connected with the one made with big holes. These holes will let the chickens enjoy their food. Those are some PVC chicken feeder ideas that you can try to make at home. They are quite easy and effective, which allows you to feed your chickens more efficiently.